Adamu fefe
Ogolo mi koka kaya mi.
Waiting now, we na wait.
Adamu baba
How na day, my people? Na good evening. Thanks for joining. How na day? Thanks for joining, my people. How are you? Now welcome, Rotarians. Now they welcome. Not be any other person. Everybody will be Rita followers since Rita supporters. Thank you all for standing by me. Thank you for the support is massive. Very, very massive. I want to say a very big thank you to. May I first put my phone for flight mode. My people, how are they? Thanks for joining. Please share the video. Good evening. How are they? So, my people, Facebook, the conspiracy for Facebook, where Atuari no kiak bolonu down sungu, no lay me, where they conspire with people, me they take go my parents' house. Now we see they talk about because what be the reason where make me face Atuari? Tell and say because I know say na in handwork. This one is her handwork 100%. This saga where they grant so na she kosan. Yes, na handwork. Every other person where just dey all this iyon egile akiko whatever all this samagwanya where they kona. All this one were just spices to make it cook very well for them on live video. Because one thing about Dana we are not like, she dey shift her blame. She's a blame shifter. But me, for this live video, I've come to understand the kind of person that she is. Yes, I don't understand that where we say, now so she take the operate. She dey shift blame. Because the time when she dey fall for inside saga, before, it don't pass. She say na sense she can't do saga. We still there inside with her. Na brain, now we also take follow one. Because since she continue to do evil, and evil continue to repeat itself with Atuari nu danu we kiak bolo no laimi because era hin aka imi bie ku laimi hin. E do bolo abie kiak bolo ma mi atie. Oh ya wa ke imi bie ku laimi o bie ku imi na la no pa bie ku imi na la no pa. O te ya laimi ni ya mi villatin. Sorry my people say as pibini. Na so we be. This one is the handwork of Atuari Edukbolo. She is the masterminder of the assassination conspiracy against my parents. She mastermind. So if then they do their own for Nigeria, we go to do our own for here, for Facebook. Now she mastermind them. Now she gathered them. Say me them come gather arrange them. They not see person where they won't use. The first person they try to use to do this thing was, I don't want to make sure your name for you. And her mama 5 boys. One woman where they call mama 5 boys for Canada. Now she fair organize that thing that time. It don't work. We can't understand say it don't work. And wait if you now ask me say wait cause now jealousy, Facebook jealousy, competition, and rivalry of no reason. I know they follow them drag anything. But the reason why they go to this level was to rubbish my parents. Hello. Wewa mudiani tiwe. Mon.
Okay.
Mudia. Was to rubbish my parents. That was the That was their intention. Made the rubbish and made the carry and come live video. And it was wrong. Very wrong. How I wish I sit down for this my live video. I don't ever go anybody house unjustly. Go meet the mama or the papa for inside his house. They went too far. They went too far. Going into my parents' house with gangs, with boys and hire killers to go and meet that woman inside the house. It's wrong, my people. What if they wrong? It good make person they talk and say it wrong. Not be police they carry go. They first go there. Number one, to go lie to my mother say na tenants them be according to the way household enemy they give them the information. Say them be tenants. May they come rent house for my papa hand. Immediately they go there, not see anybody. They see mama. They carry the old woman enter house. The old woman open all the doors of my father's house. He open it for them. This year woman wey dey Spain. A grace no be where me lie me. Disgrace wey they worry. Now they use. And when disgrace was going to my father's house, they paid her money. She was paid. She was on a business. Disgrace did not go to my father's house because of say I have anything with her. She went to my father's house because she was paid by these gangs on Facebook. They donated money to conspire an assassination against my parents. That is exactly what they did. You understand? As they gather money, they carry give disgrace. It's not the first time that disgrace is doing this thing. I don't know how many times, but there is one case where she gets where they worry we never finish. Disgrace was having the gauze. Rita speak beneath not, it go be easy for them to report your page by bully. This woman carry, may I speak pidgin? She carried people where they keep person. He carried them. I don't want to speak Benin because non-Benin they follow me. I don't know. Everybody's supposed to hear it. All of the complaints this morning say they know the hear what they happen for my platform. And I get non-Benin with the year. I want to make the whole world hear. I want to broadcast it to the whole world. I don't want to make only Benin people hear and know. I want to make the whole world hear. So, Faith, now be prophetess disgrace. Faith carry boys. Those boys we will see that day for Isai Moto. Those boys don't live in Benin. They were coming straight from Warri. Those boys came from Warri. They were paid by Atuari, Mommy Love, and other conspired presenter on Facebook, GPC member, to go and meet my mother inside her own house, to video the old woman for inside house, to take her picture, and they enter into my father's house. So if you see me entering into their family, this one is the reason why I'm entering their family. Because they went too far. And do now wait still there Facebook. Wait be Facebook upcoming presenter. I want to drop a warning here for you. So that tomorrow, you not go say you don't know. May you not say you know here now. Now it make me want to warn you for this saga marathon with the grand. If you not say this saga not contain you. And you are not supporting me. Come on body. Because what it then do is a conspiracy to kill a person. Unless, say, you get hand for the conspiracy. Make sure, say, you not carry the picture where they go meet for inside house. The picture, the person where they go meet for inside house. You not carry a picture come out for your platform. Because that is an evidence of conspiracy against you. For murder. For murder case where you know if it deny. Because the case there many people want, they don't work far. Now the one where I want to give you be that. Not be only to talk for Facebook enter hustle. Now, may you no matter where they grant and where matter they come from. Those boys were paid by all these Facebook presenters who conspire against me. Then paid them for worry, carried them company inside my papa house, can't they constitute nuisance. So now person where this thing where they grant so they are hired this. They were hired from worry to come and do that assassination where they do. So as we are talking right now, it have involved a range big members of family. My brothers are not happy. All my father brothers are not happy. Because people, when you enter their house, they be human being. Old woman, when you go meet for inside house, now person born now. Me, we be Rita, I am standing on the right track. Because I never enter your family one day. I never know your family one day. If you even talk, say me and you get anything safe. Now, Matt, you take talk to me. I use Matt to talk to you for Facebook. But I've never broken the edge on you. To cross the boundary and enter your family. I have not done that. My hands are clean. So, the reason why this thing, Vanessa, let me block you. Oh, I can block for here now. Thank God. Mona leave and make the comments. I get what I want to block for grant. As me, you there here. If you there here, please help me in the blocking. So the reason, my people, why be say this wahala dey grand. Now because of say, then waka, they go meet my old parents for inside house. They plan assassination. The boy, one of the boy, he dey front. My mama follow her for back. He no even know say na worry there for the con. Say na aya killers, na them be. Now so they go to meet that old woman. They carry her around my father's house. So if you see me entering their father's properties, entering their life and the totality of their life, if I enter, now what did they do to me be this? Now make me they enter the center of their life. The way they touch my life, I want to touch their own like that. Because it's not good. So you will be presenter, we analyzing the suite. Make sure say you analyze. My mama picture, my papa picture not show for your platform if this matter not concern you. Because if it show for your platform and I see the video, anywhere where your family reach for that Bini, I go drag all of them enter this saga. Your papa go enter, even though he dey grave, he go resurface. He go enter this saga. Your mama go enter. Your brothers go enter. Your sister, anything wey concern you will get life. You go enter this saga. Now the one where I felt drop for una, be this. Because some of una too they play rough. When they go they talk to una, not here. The way where fake account they carry this thing, they go more on leave to fake account to fake account. If you say you be presenter, say you they analyze your head hot, and you carry and come out for your platform, there's an evidence for me to hold you against your work. You know what I'll do you? I go enter your family the way you enter my own. Everything concerning your family, because I do ya Peter, e wonana gbowi alazi o samu pinayeba, and e wonana gbowi o sa alazi o mupinaje. Ekene family we seke no rame ya sile ya kwesa Ghana. Ijwe no ho aridin ya amwela dan ya amwefiesa Ghana. Because una trespass in the wrong way into my family. Me and una, we talk for her. Una come out for Europe. Una go meet old people for Isaias. Me, I never do until now one day. So if you they do analyze it, they sweet you. If you hear this my money, carry and where put on. I know how una me una not use this video to build on a platform. I know how una me una not use and to enjoy una self. I know how una me una not put on for una YouTube channel. You understand me? If I even know your YouTube channel and I see my mama and my papa picture for your YouTube channel, I won't be this unless I don't know you. If I get information about you, your mama and your papa go enter this saga. Yes, it's a promise. Not talk say you know here because it's our business. We are in together, so we will enjoy it together. Make sure you are ready for what you are giving. If you are not ready for what you are giving, make sure you come out your hand because this one way you do. So if you don't get body, come out body. Now I go your tell now. And the only thing we I go tell everybody now be that one because wait, I will say this. Then go Facebook, then download my mama picture for Facebook. They use and not get problem. This saga for no even dey ground. But say then carry aya killers, go meet them for inside house. Say then arrange boys. Atu arrange boys, go meet my mama for inside house. That one, this 2022 na marathon. You not go day easy for any of us. I'm sorry to say. So make sure say that picture where they go take for inside house, he not there with you. And you not show her for your platform, I not see her. Because if I see her, if your mama dey grave, we will resurrect her for this saga. If your papa dey grave, we go wake and go come. This saga. Anywhere where your family dey, I go drag them enter this saga. Yeah, my word though. Because some of you now, Mona not talk say una not the hear something before now they trespass people territory anyhow. Now my only way I can't give una for this Facebook this afternoon, I be this. So you be Facebook blogger, enjoy yourself. You be Facebook presenter, enjoy yourself. But as you they analyze, he not concern you, you dey swear for my mama, you dey swear for my papa. My fans, they bring the video, they drop am somewhere. If I go bring your mama come from anywhere, and I drop am for my platform, beginner, he never know yari agmari yabe. Eka guma, because why jime la diane ni a problem ro. Ogi joue ke non leji. I ariye la diane ya die Facebook, mena ye myomotai, ya bata base. I do drop ye mana. Agmoya alwe, bena lorije vene a lorije. So, eka guma, en wek be mu webe na gbe no movie okay. May you underrate this warning when I give you. I beg bloggers, more na cut this place for my video. More na transfer and give saga instigators. Transfer it to them so that they will hear it. Transfer it to them. They need to hear this information. It's very important. Now me talking. If you hold my mama picture and my papa picture for your hand, you carry and come out for your platform, use and bully me. Anywhere where your family reach, I go find them and I go bring them into this saga. They must enjoy it. What is going on right now in my family? Your family must be a part of it. So be careful so that you will not say you not here. May you not say you not here. Now only that one now I want to tell you. Because now they play victim. Don't be say tomorrow be this again. Don't be say tomorrow you will say you not here. You not fit dey Europe. You and person go even talk. Not to talk of I not even near you. You will just enrage boys. You will enrage people all the way from Warri to come and meet. To come and hello. Hello.
Krista.
Ure speaker. Go.
Mama, see, may I tell all those people we go carry our big uncle come out for Facebook. All of them when do that thing, so Mona no worry. Lolo.
Not be Lolo.
This woman.
Lolo not
this
day.
woman wait. This woman wait. Sorry. This woman wait. London.
Atuari.
Atuari and this girl wait. They Austria is Geneve. And this serious woman wait do this thing so. Mona no feel say una do that thing to that man say no get children. He get children full everywhere. And this thing Mona do, Mona no worry. As una take one, una will see the payback. All of una when do this thing, una feel say una don't do one, no shaking, no level. This thing una do will make all of una enter house of Facebook. All of una come face work that time. I know they do last video again. I just say, man, I tell all of una, Mona Sophie, be careful. You won't want to say the talk. Because if not, una will get big problem. The biggest problem una will get, una will enter house, una no do live video again. Mona beg. I use God say beg, but Mona be careful for our family. We're not good. We're dangerous. They don't joke with us. Now let me say, I tell all of you now. Mama, I greet you.
People will not go Bini, go meet their mama for Isaias. Now go carry on. Now give them reasons. Will not do one. And now go tell them. Some of them they follow now. Now follow as them be. Some of them they follow una every day. Una go give them reasons where make una trespass into their territory where they not trespass una own. Because now when person trespass person territory, say you enter your mama house, you enter your papa house. Now you yourself you come out, you say you want enter in you. Now that one now say make I tell una. Because some of una where they see, I they enjoy una video if I watch them. I will sit down here, I'll suffer, enjoy, and I'll use and enjoy myself. Now that one ended they call saga. Now enjoyment. The saga where even the grand soul, who even create them, you not get anything where they do with the saga again, not feel enjoy them. But now person where you organize and where be one masterminds, where be one use and take do say a bioduga. Now me fi break history for a body. Now me fi break history for it a body. You not even let them use. But now the person where go send na come, where he send them say wa here. Now the person I can face the consequences so. Now I can face them. Una know say when papa get a very condemned life, mama get a very condemned life. Mama life not straight. Papa life not straight. Papa na pedophile. Where they abuse children. Which is very true. When I hear for Atuari body say papa they abuse, he abuse them. There was nothing wrong about that story. That was the right story. Big momo. He papa sleep with her. You they talk now say Atuari say You an old woman. Why you haven't born egbe? No. E bogu we keke woman no carrot of Facebook no concern adultery. On ya need bubu we do vun. Why you can walk when because so papa do gboson minya. Why walk when are the next stage? If you don't do your own finish, we'll go the next stage. Or the main one waruto. And that when you don't they run from pillar to post, be ba. You go run from here, you go run enter here, you go run from here, you go try and make use this one cover am. If they use innocent presenter way, not the Facebook, they cover adultery case way come out for Facebook. An adultery case way come out for Facebook way they your neck. Not be people put am for your neck of you down. Not be people put am for your neck. Ovie kiakbolo, wo mu e yoru. E ma no mu e woru we on. And we be enkenemi na ni ke down me ege mata no magu weri e beboji one day today. E bokutukutu ni me hon we aya mu. E kutukutu when I hear say you want go carry for juju. Why you not use that juju fete deny wetin dey your neck? The thing wey fet dey your neck, why you not use am take deny and say, "Hey, see wetin dey my neck o." Na juju matter. Na if I dey my neck since adulterous matter dey my neck since me I feel clean and come off for body. If you don't clean that one before you will define another one they go. Where you want carry come out so that the time where you will come take carry that one come out, everybody will not join you to fight it. I know that you are busy looking inside the house. I don't put my phone for flight mode. I know say you they busy they look for adulterous women they go. The reason why you they look for adulterous women they go from pillar to post different corner. Now because say you they find people where you want hang your adultery case for their head. No ya hin rouge yan. Emi no ruwo unagwa munuwe. Nuwe wa engu wa mulaga na you be the share lady of that issue. Why you they use other people head till they carry with they don't know where you know say adultery case is a lineage something, it's a bloodline in your family.
It's auntie.
Hello. Okay. Oma. The adultery case where you hang for your head will be like cloth. No one hang you one of you down. Huh? We my emi boya do any fool. We my one afo. We ba uriyo. Opa direct. Why am I adultery case? An adultery case dey here. It dey Facebook. The juju where you say you want swear with another person, old woman for his ass. Why you not use and take swear the one where you fool your neck for this Facebook? Where you fool here, you fool there, you fool the other one because this year na me want to analyze your life. As you ready for me, that's why I ready for you. Because I don't hear you. This saga not concern you. Wait, they grand so. But I know say now you be the mastermind that you had body. You had your body say it not concern you. The day where Mugu lost, where he come out, where he carry the son, he come and say, Mona, see you don't go meet papa and meet mama for his house. You come out for your platform, you sit down. You say Mugu love, not talk and way. Say Mugu loves, he have the self joiner, say na she go arrest. Now so she talk. He say why she had that self joiner, say na she go make arrest. He say she not supposed add herself joiner. He say presenter non joiner. He say na Grace, meaning prophetess Grace. He say na he did the case, we go arrest. And I look front, I look back. I never even know this woman before. Now that time, my people, now I come to see and say, wow, this thing is a very big conspiracy something. And she say, Mugu lost. He say he knows a bit talk the matter where. He say on Wama Begenia. Now this one, they made them, they say some people to the mumu. Some people to the mumu. The case where they grand different. The one where Mugu love go they talk different. In the evening of it, Mugu love come and say no. Na me, go arrest. Me did the arrest because he don't already notice and say, Atuari want push her aside for the saga. He want promote the saga for her hand. Now that time, the girl take notice her. When she come, they sweat on top of her body for her platform. They sweat, they sweat, they sweat. They say, oh, Mona can't see you. Atuari want collect this saga for my hand. Wait, not be there. This one is a created saga. Then create them because they believe say they go use them to make money. Then believe say they will use them to make view. But they went too far. And the thing where they do, it did the matter of the whole world as a sacrilege and evil. Because person won't go touch for his house. Never reach where on a day before. Una not even use man to talk to them because since all these years when they use man, they talk go on way. Even one of them, he enter live video for more than 2 weeks. He swear for my mama. I not talk to her. I also return the same thing to her. Now this Facebook for happen. But she joined them for the conspiracy. He waka past house. Go meet the old woman for inside house for where he sit down. He go meet her for inside house. Somebody say you not quit art. No. Not be so they take the art, my brother. You need to have evidence to what you are saying. You need to know what you are talking about. You don't just hear something, you just jump up. You just be art to what? How do you act? You act when you have evidence to something. When you know, say, now the matter they go. Now me know where matter they go. Now make you see me say, they talk about it every time. Because I don't already know where the matter they go. I don't already understand the issue where they ground. I don't already know say na conspiracy. Now make me they use until they shot. So, Obi Undan, Atuari, Obi Ekiakpolo, the daughter of a pedophile. Now she, when they use the thing, they whine Lovette. They whine the other. Why is it that anybody call Ekiakpolo, if he born Pikin, as also wayward children, and they born? Now, not they say, I'm sorry to the other Edokpolos in the whole world. If you are not involved with this, I am sorry. I mean no hurt and no disrespect. But the two Ekiakpolo children where we get for Facebook, as you can see, they are nothing to write to me bad. Their character is nothing to write to me bad. Their life is nothing to write to me bad. As I continue to reading the life history of Atuari Ekiakpolo, where they is you for Okundia Street for whatever for Selu. As I continue to read the life history, make una know where the bloodline is coming from of evil. Where they do for this live video, all this why. The same thing where they do to Mama Gladys. Go plan people for grand. Make them go meet that one, make them. Now yesterday I even listened to the video. I never listened to all those things. Now I understand what it did grand. Make them go video that one brother come for inside markets. Go put speaker for him out, make they talk. The same thing. Mugu lost confirm for a video say, if I sit down, carry phone, take call my mama. He want engage my mama for talk. Make he record the old woman. She not fit. Now he carry boys from Worry. Go meet her for his house. For no reason. If to say me and she even get quarrel now, I'll say me and you get quarrel. I go understand and say, which quarrel? Many of my fans, all of them, they call me for years, say, you and this woman, they quarrel. I say, I don't know, I know, I'll they look am. I can't they watch am. I can't they watch am as she they go. We can't they discuss about them every time for his house. I say, where this one they go, so. I know where she they go. I know say that they use them. By the time when I tell see Atuari they celebrate for there and the puppies, now that time I know the game where can they play. The way she can't they use them until they hit chest. Say she go do this one, she go do the other one, she go do that one to my parents. Now that time I can't understand. Say wow, there's a conspiracy that is going on. Then I call them, tell them say, person go come on a house. He might call you on phone as she talking. Because now me they see them. When the one way they better, he go call into Ekiakpolo Pikin way they Spain. When he go call into his show, the way where they take the talk, I was monitoring the conspiracy for some time. Not be only once. I monitored them for some time, saw that it's a huge conspiracy. That is why I was able to tell them at home to say, in case anybody call now, Muna not follow them talk anything. Now I made them not see any audio come and say, now so your family can't follow me talk. So when they come see say, they not fit handle them for phone. Then plan boys, make them carry boys, go meet them for us. When they see say that one, then take pictures, opportunity. My father house, I never know where I never see her for Facebook, but they don't post some part of the house where they do. That place where they for snap my mother picture. That house where they not paint where they there. That house is a neighboring house way near us. That one not be our house. Now just the house of the man way near us. And the man is also making a charge now for these boys that went there to go and snap his house. Because the backyard where mama stand like this, now person I get that house way show for the picture where they carry come out. Where they go take meet for inside house. Where they go take meet for inside house. So my people, when I dey monitor the conspiracy, inside my mind, I know that there's going to be a very big attack. I was also at Alab, but thank God say they come out through police. Now Lord, they can't come out. The carry boys go there. According to Disgrace, she say the reason why they not buy my mama. Now so he tell her for police station. She also tell another thing to my mother, say, he asked my mother, I say, why my mother kill Felicia mama? Now the question, where Prophetess Grace asked my mother for police station. Now be this one. Facebook people, I say me and they narrate everything they give una. The way it they happen. Now question where Prophetess Disgrace asked my mother for police station. After I don't use police arrest and finish. Now that one say, Felicia mama he kill her. I take kill her, he no know. He know they even they enter that their house. Who tell you this one? Where you for hear that one? She not gonna explain the thing past there. But now the question where she ask, because she talking for a video yesterday, say, then they go bury her. Papa Felicia bury her where he die. Then they go do a burial for Bini for there. He also they praise Monica for their video. Atuari, they also they praise her. So there was a conspiracy against my mother for that same area where Felicia come from. A very big assassination conspiracy. Because Felicia use man to talk and say, he go do one like this. Na so it be. Na so it happen. When they do and finish, they carry the woman go police station. They go use police arrest and they say me insult them. Now the way they write for police station, be they say I insult them. Really? Although they don't write undertaking for grand, they write undertaking before they come out for police, say anything happen. But still, there are things that are going on that I cannot say here inside the family. May cause and way be say this thing need to go on. It doesn't need to stop because they went to disturb the peace of people who never came close to them, who never have anything to do with them, who never near them. What it cause problem for Facebook now view. This view one they see so for up here. Now this one I cause problem, nothing else. Now this one now cause problem, view. This view one they see for up now cause problem. No other thing cause problem. Now view now cause problem. For live video say me come yesterday. I can't do past them. Finish with them plan assassination for my parents for. No other thing. They not get anything where they want hold for hand. Say, see what you do them. You find them go ass. You find their papa go ass. You find their mama go ass. You carry their sister come out for live video. You carry their brother come out for live video. You know they where they want carry talk concerning me. If I not get topic when I want to do for live video, I will sit down. I go they do my hook up. But these people when they talk about so, they don't get what they do for live video except saga from January to December. Now make me talk and say, this saga wanna go carry meet people where they say as we no near una. On a buwago, on a buwage. He have na wa, lu won't tag na because he must see wa. I no near una. Now we are there na so una come meet me. So una way they do no mut bin ave no jobo. Where they do at the see una they wash una. But I want let una know. Me una not say una no know. If you not say your name, they petition where they grant and conspiracy. My mother picture come out for your platform. Anywhere where your family picture reach, you go dey Facebook. Because una don't already drag me inside. Me no get wahala again. Your own will never come out. Where we hang a baba. Now only your own. Now you will come the fear. Because Felicia, Atuari, the other people and less, they don't already bring my own come out. It don't finish. And uropa biene rame. Urevama biene. 2 women not born for mama. I not get to Ira. Now only OVJ na I get. So, me go the draguna. Where you get Ira. Me a dragu why me a real boy you why always wabo. If eruwa me hian si. Di hian si eruwa sagnonari ave. Because again, wana are Facebook. Nana bege we. Wa bege ni ati na no si you know. Una not advice against and say. Rita not do na anything. Why una go meet mama for his ass? Una even do and finish. She come out for live video say, make me shut up. May I not talk again. She started blackmailing. That was it. After they have succeeded to collect the picture they want, she came out on live video, which is Atu Ari Edokpolo no Leimi Wiwa. She come out, she can't stand. He say she wants start to the blackmail me with my parents' picture. Blackmail started. And the blackmail still there at war. He say one more word from me. If I open my mouth to talk again for live video. Now so she go do me this. She go release my parents' picture for social media. That one is a straight intimidation and a dare. Now it make me come and break the dare that they say. Let all hell loose. Anything where you want to do, I don't give you words. I don't talk more than 1 or 20 times. Like, I want you to do what you want to do. Now we take the yes so. So according to her, she says she get many audios. Blackmail, now here blackmail for start. She carry my mama picture come out for pay show. She organize and say she want use my mama head to take get money. Now it make me also go look for where Edokpolo day. Edokpolo no le imi wiwa. Oh, be hook from me imi la imi. Or say na mwe Edokpolo adiak monwe. Mwe Edokpolo SG. Eje na mwe SG. Eseri yobe. Munda. Mwane ovi wemu la tiame Facebook mwe nihi. E mobie o me mome ya no bege biba. So mwe Edokpolo ayak polo tore Facebook na from nati December. Ah you mwe polo to. Why because again ovi we na alu nwere yak polo to. Or who leli here. They do type a video. They say you they follow and they go for a video. So what to make you blind? Where make you blind? The Edokpolo, Ekiakpolo. You hear what at the torso. What to blind you? Ekiakpolo. When you not see us, you they follow your picking up and down. You not see and make you notice and say no. This thing where you they do so, it's not good. You are touching people's family who didn't touch your own. These people never can touch your family. They never reach where your ass did before. Not be matter where you see for Facebook. You planned an agreed assassination to go and meet her parents inside the house. This one is more than unaccepted. Now we take the one where we did so. So as we dey talk so, the matter go long for grant. Who be this? May I block you? The kind life where you get for this Facebook. Ah, we say na me. We be rich and I get that kind life. I for not even dey talk. You for say, shut up. Every day now you for they tell me make I shut up. The kind life where you get, where your mama live. Awag money you when ye. Keke ba wag money rani. The kind life where your papa live. And the children, your papa will just carry a kia. Put for ye. They check am from pillar to post. Ibri. They marry people, they fuck, they slash people wife, they go. They fuck people wife from pillar to post. They fuck people wife from pillar to post. Anita, I want to block you. Anita Happy. I will block you. If I see your comment again, I'm going to block you. If to say na human being, me will be written, I get that kind of life. Hey, salo buani rame. I for not even talk from the first day for this live video. May I share the video, my people. Me for not even talk one day. The kind of life where you get. A bag mon the kind of life where your mama do. Nobody for talk. For social media, for where you dey. Just see your only your mother life when I don't analyze. A third grade single mother with stupidity. When you carry on Facebook, content they terrorize the obini. Single mother with stupidity. Single mother with stupidity. Single mother with stupidity. Whereas, now your mama now you get that background. Won't be another person. Your own mother to Ari Edokpolo. Issue when no lay me wiwa. Now you get that kind of life. No other person for this Facebook get am. Other people where you they follow do saga. Now one husband your mama gets. But your own mama, where be say go de from Amy the entire Amy. Now you get them. Now you don't live the kind of life where you live. You see and say, the saga where you go sit down for Isaiah's go carry. I ready for you this year. And not be joke. I ready wait you where. Because since when you did this live video, you say you declare war for me. You never chest me one day. And I want me you chest me. May you see whether I light to chest or I not light. I want me you chest me. May you see whether I be woman where you who no hair, no asset wa chest very old temu. There he did me have yet to wemu. The sagana we are bege or not. Did he have yet to wemu? You understand? Of here, no have with biju wena. Where you day your body, all this one. You never talk and your adultery case still dey ground for live video. You still ringing bell. Oh, ye go. We live video. Boko, your adultery case, or ye go from pillar to post. Adultery way. No do with Facebook. Uro wodo. Now you way be atu arena if they carry adultery case, you they carry and they design for other people. Wari you yes ye gbona. If you carry and you carry and zine for the other one body. If you carry and you carry and zine for the other one body, you signal the big that dog ya adultery. Oh ya zine le gbugbe and a gbugwe your own body now adultery for combat. And person way too of una that live una life for this Facebook for 10 years. That person dare you say, go bring juju paper. Come for me. If not be true, say this man fuck you for inside your husband's house. A bloodline, okay, be rade. A be kiakbolo. A rag is a weak. He get where evil the rich. Ona to boy, are you boy you can electric. Ona big bewa. Ona wu. And normally, a boo nera who or who not bury on my yoga. Never. Who not ya bury on my egbo. Egbo dogo, the egbo woody. Not they call my direct person where they call, so now my direct line they call. I don't block them. Now me off my phone. I want talk first. Egbo dogo di. Aya bury on maji. Okay, can I bury a wedge because everywhere committed suicide. Don't big bewa. One person commits suicide. He carry his hands. Why did he even electrocuted himself? Why he kill himself? The story why he kill himself, there are very many. All of them are coming. And as small we will take the download. I don't get power to talk and too much. I don't get power. Hello. All right, okay. Ima only your phone disturb mo say na do yo. Okay, I see your message. Yeah. Okay, I don't read that. I don't read that. Adultery case will be your own way they grant. Ogo po miliki ogu we no roto. Ovie kiakbolo. See today for Facebook. You never see clear and come off for ground. But you are a role model. Now you be. You say, according to you, you say you be role model. Oge zuo. You say now you be. But today, your adultery case not come off for live video. Yeah. From one pillar to post, that they drag you the past time. The pain where they your body. You they carry and they mukwan for other people body. You carry and come off for here, you put for this one body. You carry and come off for here, you put for this one body. You carry and come off for here, you put for. Now my body now you can't still put your adultery case. Now Rita body now you want put on. Because you define you, because you be done expire. Now me give you expire glory. You be done past. Nobody they even know whether you did there again, which you know is truth. Nobody even know whether you exist. For some time now, I don't even know whether you exist again on live video. I don't know. So evil spirit, where they use you, it started from that. And if I do you finish for this Facebook, the way your papa go take pull hand for electric, now so you yourself go pull hand for electric, you come out yourself. Yes. The way where your papa go take pull hand for electric by self, after I don't vandalize women, people, husband, wives from area, that una area, the way your papa take sleep with people, wife, after I don't finish with them, the way you go to use the and take kill yourself, get put on for electric, you understand? The reason why you will feel win me for this saga, if not me really can't find you, you will win me. If not, I will win you. That's what it be. Now the only thing when I want me, you know, that be that one. A life issue where the way your mama life just condemn rich so. The way your mama life and your papa life condemn rich, way this una no get life for family. There's nothing to write to me back. Nothing to write to me back. The women where your mama go meet for us, you not clear than rest. Or you be bilimo you still use their eyes see pepe. Mama or mo wa where your mama do. Onari you open your eye, quand they put pepe. Your mama where he see where another person for don't plant. He carry he shatter body where they go shatter from pillar to post. He carry and go there. May go to enjoy for where you know for work. He fall on top of their pikin begin the kill them. Igba. On a gbele viere mon. On a de nyaya mon. On a gbele begin the kill their children. On a yovinya no dionre. Isae, toy. On a ka yovinya no dion lude. He use their first elder brother. Erebari. He first declare that one meet. The first person where Atuari mama forever shop for that their family. When he enter that family say you want to marry. Now they call Papa Barry. Erebari yen kawa ya lude gba. On your kawa gbe. Omo bianuka onira Atuari ka gbe whole family ni. Na be that. Market polygamous the work issue where now your mama get up, you go disturb people peace for inside their house. Your mother now you get up, you go disturb people peace for inside their house. You not agree make people enjoy their marriage. You get wetin you want talk for person body for this Facebook. Where person you can say see as it be. Where it be say your polygamous background, it dey smell. The truth, the thing where you never tell Facebook where your mama do for Ekiakpolo family. Now me go tell them the way it be. Now truth, me want to follow you to do market for the saga where you go cause for years where you sit down. May your father rest in here. The saga where you go cause for where you sit down. Now truth, me want to follow you do market because I don't know you. I have never had anything to do with you before. This pedophile of your father, where he carry human being like you, he creates you. On a biewe, they to tota kobu haen, on a tota kijo mo wa. Egbe, the kind human being where you dey for not even they alive. If or not they exist, as we they talk today. Omanomi we the gbomomo we one day. Who see you for small picking where you they grow the coin go see and say, you have a witchcraft kind of looking at you alone. When one day, aku webazin siwa, but omagu weta, who say Facebook. You got taku webazin, ave kiju webazin. Or say natama we wuke wu, if you not bish wogak boy. Atu arino via bolo. Yes. If you not bije sule ni juwe. Or he had buwe, or maybe where your Facebook re. Yes, SEO ayo we. And the one I remove well, you have kuwe kekiak bolonira. Why can you mom because kekiak bolosi wala gavi huna? Obviously, wala la wano o wano you waji. You want the kiak bolo. They take kiak bolo ye kiae. On a bait talawe bo. On a jet party nyae for re. Then it be a yawe. A problem in the do community mena. On your see any anakema bera sariave. Because era ni me dara ni mani se because it be ave gari huo yen to tako ohian. Yes. We walk when any be fight where you cause when I sit down my own. I say you they do your own. If you never do and finish, do one. Because the money leg away can have ye me ya ekopa. Because you sit down your own they cause saga. When they not for call you now your boy at ye win on Larry. Una agwalera me dije mesu wa. Ovie na kavin e kavoma no siene. E kiakpolo ana le imi wiwa. Ovie na kavin e kavoma. Uga if you know say what they not they do for inside your family. Not go do another person because nobody send you market. You understand me? Oma pa magie weki. Nobody. Eki nijwe do ve gbere bari. Keke ve gbijes ijamo wa. No biere bari. E Facebook na mi ize nane. Efo. Ukpona. Efo wariana riabe. Because azen nijwe no rienu. Mo pa iwe gbere ve Facebook na. Ebe na bata. Because ahwa wadi neken. Now you do me. For that reason. Ahwa wadi neken ni mi abe way. You understand me now? Polygamous background, the reason why it's not good now be this. Because if men too born, all these Casanova men, I don't even believe before when they talk and say this man carry pikin come out on a way. Omo bi eri ona huwe. E man e cause le lehia ke gbomo mo ade dem nu wata yo ma be egbe. E life wa vun with cause. Egbe Casanova ne ruwe na no you well obiye. Ona ye cause yo egbe. We are total. When you sit down, you go to say, he puts pain for their body. He puts pain for their body. He puts pain for their body. The last wife of your father is somebody's wife, a tenant. Where come? Tenant where come rent house for your papa hand. Or is the wire iho ya fe ni rokundia? Or ze waya iho ya ni legae or my thing. Ona lehwere, which is wrong. That character, adulterous character, is coming from your parents. Single mother by stupidity. It come from your parents. Illiteracy of the highest order is coming from your parents. When you say any ramanario mo paye school, we no carry one pikin, me trainer for school. Igo ya no kuma be dag mo uhe. Uheoje ya oje yawo. All of them enter toto for that bini. Unwere bari oga gbijuwe. Be mi no so we gbegbe ra imi. Atu are no be edokpolo. Yes. Papa bury head. Now go kill you. Now they worry you so. Wait till your mama carry hand. You go meet people for us. You go meet them for us. They begin to fight for property where not be you. If you stream me live for Facebook, Mona tell me I strike her. Me I give her strike. How I wish say your mama leave them. Those people for not get this wahala where they can't get so. We say your papa carry pre-corner by Italawe. It be wahala ni yamina. Ni aga moe. E veni jouer. Ni jesule. Non si je yomo wagbe. E veni. Ou we have yote yahu. When atuari. Ahia yaki yoe. Pero anu hungwe ya mwe. Eni ame zese ni yadi. Kuweke joe no vijue. Wakba emi hu ni jouer biene. E family kiakbolo. So why va hia su se ni wate yahu. Emi no me eti hia uwe. Because imaka gwalo we. I don't near you. I don't find you come. Now we are sit down my own. Now you conspire people. Go meet people where no near you for Isaias. Me don't give you mandate to do your worst. Your worst where you know say you want to, where you they do gaff for this Facebook say para you too much work me where. Yes. E man we benu when any wages no where. Even when you do me gamba. All this way, no where you they jump up and down like one more way remain for soup. Do one. When you they do like say now only you be one more way remain for soup. See useless background and useless family. A story why 1 year, 2 years not go reach me to talk and finish. Now maybe return to here and ya guy or Jojo. Because I don't need you. Now we are sit down, put now sit down. Who is you ni ati ege? Who is je? Is your mo wa? Or here talk boy. Atu ari no be kiakbolo. Who is your mo wa talk boy? Because or talk boy you already. You say you na get ba. Is you kak ba hoye. On you say na me we. Oh we are talk boy here. Okay ya hu. Who is your mo wa? Or can say me you egbe me no say you egbe na. Almost to say you egbe. Yes. Unwe bari ogwale freedom ve imi ogwale judgment o si eni na swawe ye o swawe fiema o swawe fiema o swawe fiema o swawe fiema o swawe le pilato post here. Yes. Nwere bari orusme mi no swawe yo swawere no na deye ketin ukpukpo no ukpo no ma deye tin umi obe etin o e ba inu we biye so erugba gele lo be kuwe e gbagbo mana we gbe wani ma send you not reach when man take dey put hand for electric you go really kill yourself and what for you. Hello. Where? Okay, Oma. Christina, come and bring my laptop for me here. Bring my laptop. Bring this laptop for me. Bring the laptop for me. 9. It's coming.
After video, can you do fufu?
Eh?
After video, can you do fufu?
Yeah. Unwija ma owa. O hia talk bijouwe. But even no, you already talk bijouwe no already. O se ni jwana gege ya de baba sister say. Wogi talk be na. So wogi the next person. No ya very bari be even. Ube ya va jouer ya va kiakbolo ni rabai. Ube na ka 20 avant. Yes. If you send a Facebook saga, you dey do your Facebook saga for year. Not concern me, concern you. They do your Facebook saga, they get your view. But if you walk up past boundary, people who are not near you, you go meet them for inside their house. When I don't enter your house, I go enter the center of your life. I go enter your house. The one who not define, I don't already see him. Abuyan wayan howa. Wabuyan wayan howa. Erano wa momori o wari ame lele. Uere gbomomo vera ke la lo he. Can you imagine? Uere gbomomo vera ke fili here your way. Genuine story. Genuine story. That's why they look at before say this story not true. This story not true. I don't even know say that's true. Can you imagine? Papa will go just sit down, go carry pikin come. He go carry pikin come, he go lalon. He go carry pikin come, he go lalon. He go sleep with her. The way where the whole people of that area take gather say, hey, e kia polok gbegbe wa. Iyan na go family drag. Wo ma gbegbe wa ta ya fie gbo. Amu e fie wa. Egbo amu e fie. It's a food for the vulture. Na food for vulture na it be. Although they not quite reach there. Na food for the vulture na it be. A family to arena do a family kia bolona agbegbe imi. Ni ya mufuwa because o ma no you boy you can let it connect gbegbe wa. No be person where they bury for us. Ni. Na so it dey be. E o ma na temu yo wa. E gbagbo ma gbe o ki bi e do poloro pa. No one dey okay. Even the omo wa we dey say if dey Spain. E cannot even zozolani and nobody know. Cannot even zozolani and nobody know. Atu ari no waru we oni wa hin ko limoti bono dey etintin kukupo. Etintin kukupo e ya ye zagazaga ya ye be na fi local lugbo. Jewsless children from Jewsless father. Polygamous, notorious polygamous man. Now I call the man to the extent you still do other people. Oma say we una do we by. It not reach you. And all these things where they happen for inside this family. One am waiting. Your mama de a shatter. E ke shatter ni jwe do. Oma fe ko gbu e yegbe. Non lele. A family wife o. No ka de kun no bi o jon wo kana. On to ta kiyan. Oma to ta ke family wife o. I jouer. On a you biti. On a adio we do polo. On a do ya sietin ibi regbe. Mage bag mo we gbe okijo mo wa. O mage bag mo we regbe okijo mo wa. On a do sietin, on a see family ni egbe. Life history nefo woto. Your mother will be single mother by stupidity. Na carry and con. No more at Facebook. Okay, if you don't accept the narcissistic apology. A person want to accept that kind of apology. If now you go accept them. Apology will not get leg. Who be the person where go just open your you go say you want fall for this wala. Where to are go using and take course by conspiracy. Now be say the person don't buy market. Now be that man. Buy market will not be you. Because na so it buy market so. Na so ite bayan. Over sabi at too much. Oduga. I go to kill de agmo a kill de ne reimi. Na she take buy market. I see the name where you tell me. Na she take buy market. Which video she dey stream? They stream live. Mona tell me. I give her strike. This my live video. They stream on live. Brava. This one not be public. Go delete her, my people. Mona forget I want mona him. So I better person. This is I want better human being. That one not be anything. I'll remove on later. If you leave on there, I'll remove on later. So my people, may I concentrate on what I did talk and what I did do. Because having animal relevant now, I don't get their time. Like they can have this one be. Their mama will say, na I carry head for no reason. Come meet me. Me only make him nya. Enya to ari ya ihiun ri elefin ri yo atatabo. Ya ize gbuwe. Ya ihiun we nya ri yo atatabo because e maseke nuje. The way body take they catch you. We sagate they hungry you as you they use the shagate they blow take the shop. Ya da we sagin you hu because e maseke nuje. That's why I go do you 2022. As you they use and take the feed. Wa vie yo. Ameve ya no ton ala dian ba we bae. Eri mi an we. Because history we gya ya we mi ropa. Na wa gbele ko na hin no. We sell kobo. Then you need that to use them. If you go use them tomorrow. You say you carry yourself, get up, say you want to go meet woman where they say. Lare do ya vembo. Ma vi jerita ou ba vembo. No dwe kungwe. Orere no de kungwe social media na inu we vembo yibu we. E bebo nu weri erebo. E bebo where you bring. Where because the person when this one adultery case or this your own adultery case start. All my time I wanna where I see her. I will make soy. You know, biani yari ye were ona huwe. Ona gbele spemi you egbe. Ona muwelo bi ona zanzan we. Ona fili hinye jo ona fili mi ati ejo. Una be who like we because biani you say that man too fine. If you see the picture of the man, you they come for body. As we they talk, so we still they wait for the adultery case for this live video. You never talk. You never talk. May you consider talking. You define people where not find you for corner. You define what you want to take over. You run, go everywhere. The pain and the sadness where they your life. Not be me cause for your body. I'm a happy woman. I'm be retoto. Very happy woman. I too posh. But as you tell me say you want put hand for my hand, now I tell you say I will drag you to the mud. Now me want drag you this time around to mud. Not be you want drag me because me don't ready my full chest to enter mud. And I they call you for inside mode. Met you we bube. No la rebe bube ni maduri yak boa we bube. We bube my we anari yak boa. Ima wa la woro we kodolo my ran kodolo ala we my va. We karo na me my la o ale le la na amura you go carry my papa and my mama come out for inside house. So me don't ready to follow you enter me two of us this so that na hear me my we put on for here Facebook for this social media because I don't near you. Now you fe go chook family. Me no fe chook your family. Now you fetch chook family. Since now you fetch chook family, you go also ready for waiting, you go meet. A family where ya shuke ya, we wa ya shuku here. Na so it be. Era ne do polo me a hang. E kia polo nera. Ya dash ve oti 2022 because e zuo nera zuo. Obiaro pa ma zuo e be doni de. E yin yo first trailer driver. Not being be the first trailer driver where they enter Bini or where they Bini. Not to talk of now laying conflict create. E wale destiny womu la Facebook na. E kia mo kia la diano. Ore Gladys womu la Facebook na. E kia I go carry people privacy comments. Now you take carry and comment. Esther I don't buy you now you carry and come Facebook. I go carry people privacy comments. Now you take carry and comment. How many I want even feel measure? Your man they tell you say now you can't do too much. Person never see person like you before. Not be so it be. I say na so it be. So may you know say as you take the plan evil they wait people. They already curse you. Say you not go ever get peace. Because when everybody everybody head will na key. Una carry and go give accident. Say na accident killer. For that reason, Papa Barry head the fight una. Na not go ever get peace for life. Na not go get peace. We go give me a peace. If you not biju when you make buwe. That same thing. No biju we. Oh buwe. Look at how family history that going nowhere from pillar to post, nonsensical history of a family. Just imagine. Ya segbe man wa bo wake, e do gbonu baje. Your mama don't let people rest. Trouble then go reach his house. Ya mommy yere ya go. A cow sanag monari away. Okay, wufwa. This is it. This is it. So sometimes, before you they enter people, like they look your own, say, my own fine. Wait till this my body way fine. Now single mother by stupidity where my mama be 9 fine for my body. I be na e kia polo way be a notorious pedophile. 9 fine for my body. You get mama way be single mother by stupidity, 3rd grade. And you get papa way be a notorious and a liquidated pedophile for a father. Now you the fair come out, you fair attack people, family. Say waiting now. Eh? You don't do your own finish. Have you ever sit down here one day on social media to explain to us since when you they explain people life? Because now you be the first person where they sit down they explain people life. You don't ever explain say see what happen to a dope bolo or your boy you can't let you connect big bewa because they go after married women. It's a cause. Now you sit down for here you carry a bony matter. You say why Bonnie they sleep with married women, married men. Why Bonnie they sleep with married men? Why? Now if a Bonnie no stop to they sleep with married men and wala, you don't ever tell people say now married women now your father they look after. You get that talk where they your mouth where you not take keep your mouth short. That talk is coming right from your father's house. Your father is the generator, the instigator, the producer, and the orchestrator of every running after somebody's wife and husband. Have you ever sit down on Facebook to say it one day? No way. If you not know the meaning of pedophile, open your Google. Because I know say you be illiterate of the highest order. I know say na illiterate you be. Open your Google, may your Google tell you the meaning of pedophile. And look at the character of your father and you. The behavior and the relationship between you and your father. I want you to watch it and see. The close relationship between you and Ekia Kolono Leimi, we were not kehu. Eimi ya biehu la imi. Look the relationship between you and this notorious pedophile. And see. After you don't read your Google finish. May you see and say, now you are exactly a replicate of your father. A carbon copy of your father. That's exactly what you are. You represent everything a notorious history represent in this life. That is what you represent. Anything when notorious history, a history that is smelling, a history that a person cannot smell, even if you spread that history with the biggest perfume in this life, it will never be well. That is the history that your father and your mother represented in the area of Uselu. Have you ever sit down on Facebook one day to talk about it? To say my parents carry a history that even when Google look for it, Google will be crying. A Google avie. Yeah. A Google women in Yemina we make boy there. A history of where type a Google where you le. You go they run. You where they sit down. they talk about people history. Where total te history life with it. No we talk it there. May you talk and say, "Hey radio boy electric, you're not big bewa. Igba. Ona sungu. If you kundia, the arrangement of your father burial, according to the law of Benin, you ma big bewa mwefwa. A mwefwa you anu guriyo. A family, iyama na mwera fwa anu guriyo. Data mweru we fwa anu guriyo. And then na gwana where garagmon, and you would have not been terrorizing the Benin as a whole. Where got terrorized do? Yes, because that cause would have not entered one of their children. And you are the person where that cause enter. And it can't enter the others. Like poverty, honor your poverty, ya layangbi. Hatred. Honor your disorganization, disorder, disunity, no love. Honor ya layan ya nike egbi. Honor your nonsensical character and behavior that smells from the pit of hell. A character na set it be perfume G. Honor ya la wegbe. Have you ever spoken about this before? When me nek bugwe funeya. For some mama me nek be me ogere. Yes. Inu ba we me nek bugwe. Atu ari no vie dukbolo. Atu ari no we kiakbolo. Amwe ni ne ra. Oma no se no se woke ase wu. Oma no se no demila mila hu yo nuru. Vera na me dukbolo no le mi wu ano yun bie hwe mi. No le mi la mi. Bona me nini. E dogwa ni dan. E dogwa e history no ri ave ni ana. E dogwa e. E kiakbolo. O eni na mu ne ra be gbomo. Wa ipa wa na ari e do ba mi wa le mi wi wa gbon ne ra sungu. Where did he get that name from? Ou vient na kavin kavon. You understand? Ou vient na kavon. E kavon. If you know say they know they trespass your territory, go carry your papa and your mama come out. Make sure say you don't go touch another person, papa and mama, for inside their house. Where they stay put. How dare you? Who born you? Who train you up? Where you they doing? Who train you? My matter now for tell you say, everything that has to do with your family history, I will sit it down and I will lecture people. I will teach with your lesson. The story of your father's life, I will use it to teach people. And they will learn a new thing on this social media. Yes. I will use the story of your father to teach people lesson. The story of the notorious polygamous home, where you come from, is a topic on my hookup show. And it's going to learn a lesson to many men. If they don't want to have a history that will repeat itself, they will learn from the notorious history of Ekiakbolo, of Okundia, Uselu. A history of everywhere I learn. Then you beki and you. If I tell them for my hookup, say, Biokwo, take one woman, stay with only this woman. You go stay with her. You go hear with her and talk after you don't hear the story of your father. The story of your father is a good lecture point. It's a point of contact. When I'll take the contact of this single man, where they my hookup. How does it sound? The story of your father, Ekiakbolo, the notorious pedophile, polygamous pedophile. He did Bushop, we are for the right hand for book. Now I'll take the teach for my hookup show. If I sit down, I go open the book. Ekiakbolo one, polygamous home story. A story errari. He teach you hookup. Because you have touched the lion's tail. I not reach where you did. Now so it be. I not be your muscle when you they pack the follow body they go. I not be the idiot and the illiterate when they pack follow body they go. I not be mumu like you. You cannot subdue a woman like me. I'm not your mate. Every time now until they tell you, I'm not your mate. There's no way you can subdue me. Try from January to December. Any year you want to try it. Physically and spiritually, try it. I will always subdue you. Because after I have taught you a new thing on this live video, when you have learned your lesson, you know the stuff I'm made of. Next time, before you cross my territory, you will know the war where you won't cause. Say it's not going to be a small one. It can serve us all another being river so far. Area mi mabe we na area okin aje. We di mana kakporu no sugbo we. We di mana kakporu no sugbo we. Me, we're going to be very intelligent with the story of your father. Therefore, If you never autonomous, I go make sure say I keep on so that as you dey hear the raw truth, it go dey hit you for chest, stick back. You dey hear and say, Jesus, this truth where this woman they talk so. Nobody ever don't talk this one. I will not repeat one thing 10 times. I don't have time. Now so I go take cut your papa story piece by piece. Yes. Because I don't hear you. I don't hear you. Now we are sit down put now you gang up. You conspired for people to go assassinate a person. And you not know say that person when you go meet for us, he need the always dey ground. What it go yo salo boy cause Oma see you egbe. Or mak bera mak bijoué. For no reason. Or mak bera mak bijoué. You not reach where you dey. Your own adulterous case dey grand. You use children on cover am. You use a dede on cover am. You use a diamond from pillar to post. Just they jump up and down, they run. They run for here, 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 they run for here. Why you the zuzu? Wana zuzu edok bolo. Oye kiak bolo. Where una for even see that name in your wildest imagination? You go open page. I want use Rita to do page. I want use a monetize. It not choke you. Say I don't also use you open page and soon go monetize. Ja. Now let you sabian. Let's go there. Because I don't hear you. And we are sit down put now you come meet me. I don't hear you. Not be you according to you. Unless I know say now you did the middle. I know say now you did the middle. But you go dey come out your body, you dey give saga. Your man tell you say, me and Lovette go dey fight. Why you go dey inside your house dey say. After we be say now you don't cause trouble. No, it's not like that. Now make me dey lat your nyash every time now. May you know say I know you pass yourself. I know you pass yourself. And anybody where I never come for, they do your own. I never get your time. I get targets. I don't get your time. And I not even the wash you now. The worst part of it all. Wait till go make this saga sweet way when I be this. I know the wash you now. I don't know whether now they talk. The truth way they are to our real life. Now me want tell the whole world. If I tell them finish the way it be, I go rest. Then I go keep the small one. Some part of it. Where audio evidence day. I'll keep all those one for pay show. If you release your pay show, you might not release a woman when you momo. Because you don't say where they threaten me for no reason. You don't say where they threaten me for no reason. Una may tell una say now only una they find people reach us for information. Go they carry people information, content they depress them for social media. No. When you have all this dirty information that somebody don't even information that stinks. Information no go. Information where they smell. Your father enter, your mother enter person house. Ona kawari obi e no dion rere bari. I fine. Ona fian yo there odo ri hu we keno mana fun. Odo e de keno mana fun. You want to chop for where if you not work. Have you ever told Facebook people before to say, "Mona see you. Everybody they cry for me o. Ije me ogbe, ma ke bag mo for because who was in here. Ote when ya igbe ne gbe no pa. He go carry who give sule. Odo ebe who wait that driver. What who for they toma. What is driver for wife or family? Why you not stay with wife? Where you never fair marry? Where you carry dirty nyash? You carry command committed dope lawyer ya asietin jinyagbi. You hear me, Robebo? You hear me, Robebo? All the video where you do, no need for you to delete them. Take first beat my mama before I come for your papa. I don't already download them, so you don't get any need to delete them. I have them downloaded. So now that one, now it make me carry my body come out, come still do you. Because we na kavin kavon. De to my yao me big family yao we big family. Yeah. A pedophile na vene ruweze na. Nor ya tor ya hun. Onar ya war ya doewa. He carry a prick. He take kino and he take cause a history that will never leave the history of Benin. Your father, Spain, has been terrorizing Benin for a very long time. Your father's sperm has been terrorizing Benin. Other people born, their sperm, they grand. The sperm of your father, that is a pedophile, he terrorized Destiny Ibagwa family. If you never know. The sperm of your father, he terrorized Esther Edokbayi. The sperm of your father, he terrorized Naomi. The sperm of this notorious polygamous pedophile, he terrorized many families in Benin. The sperm of this notorious pedophile, he terrorized them for no reason. Did that come for you? Before you started putting my mother to Facebook saga, to insult her on live video, have I ever insulted your own? Did I do you first? It's a question to you. Did I fight your father first before you start fighting my father? Did I fight your mother before you start fighting my mother on live video? You think you can do it and go away with it? For what? Did you think you can do it? If this notorious pedophile did not give birth to you, you would have not been existing. You would have been a non-existing. Why a do social space will be having peace. But as it is now, your father cannot even, your husband cannot even walk. See what the useless man of a husband that you call Ambrose, the useless man of a man that you married, see the humiliation that you are giving to a man where they grave. Wana do gwa le gbe mi, okay, wa mani gwa lo. Workers wan fa le family jo wa, maka gwa so gwa le family we jo wa. You started humiliating family. I didn't start it with you. That is the evidence I have for you, and that is my fight with you. If I started fighting your family before you started fighting mine, if I started fighting your father before you started fighting my father, if I started fighting your mother before you started fighting my own, then Terafeko Tota, he carry a dirty nyash. He sit down with one woman. Ona Tota kijo mo wa. Ogioge no giena. No na gia puke be na wana kole be vayo ye wi. Na kole be vayo ivie kwena. Na igie we kote mi to hwe shata. Na na mi wo hwe shata na ri ona do bie mi robe we ne yo wa. Ona bie sule. Okegbe sule pa na la to ari ona bie joy ona bie erunse. Moi. Ou bien na kavin et soulé et kavon moi. Ou bien na kavin kavon moi. Et joy, ou bien na kavin kavon moi. Et runse, ou bien na kavin kavon moi. Ku weto buwe. No vie kya polo non le ni wiwa. I don't hear you. Good song. Netherlands. Who write that in there? Netherlands, good song. Let me read some comments, my people. Yari bebori. Wari beboro do tamame. You can't tell me where oviena kavena kavoma or written do where oviena kaven kavoma. Nana I want to open my phone, my people. Nana I want to open now. Then if you don't bebori finish, cause I might swan bepa where are you bebori? I might swan that one. We just started. Who gave you the monopoly of bully? You can't tell me. You don't tell your papa say you are ready to saga me. Me self don't still tell my own say I ready to saga you. And so it be. You can't tell me. I'm ready for you. Subscribe to Ritoto Queen Rita TV. Queen Rita. It did my page. I share on this evening. If I come on for you, I'll still share on just now, my people. Subscribe to Queen Rita. I will be there later on Queen Rita. I will be live on Queen Rita. I will be there later at Queen Rita. Na so it be. Ovie na kavin en kavon. Now Bini people they use and make parable. So Bini people, they say we get parable for Bini where we they talk say wawa dineken. People wey conspire for social media. 8 people they conspire to go and meet my mother inside her house. She not con live video. And Atuari Ovie Kiakpolo no sungu. She's the mastermind of that league and that conspiracy. She's the person who lead that conspiracy to go to my mother's house. I not reach you before I go my own. So for that reason, Atuari na we be their leader. Na she go suffer. Yon su so e. Yan yo boss yon to we ya yani ka atete yan. Atete yan. Wa re bebore. Mena ye miomo. Ya fiele mu dofo. Wa ya mo ebo no jo seve do ebo ni mana gbu e no we gbe we yo weko. Se gbebe nu ka gbebe no ka we yo weko. Ni ma zeme me yu egbe nu me me rikmonfo. You will know say e can we jona we my jona there because some abu we adiwa. I wish they go kill him for say as that day you come they tell me story say na so you be say this and that. You be one hide for under. May you use and do topic where you know say now you be the masterminder. For what? Who born you? Abio, toba no bio no na to la mugun. Who born you? Juju paper not get where you go for this case. This is more than juju paper. So any other thing when go aware, the thing when me tell you where Facebook people they ask you say before you they demand DNA or before you they demand adultery case for another person, your own adultery case with the grand now we want cure. We will fair cure your own because now your own fair the grand mo konya kosi or we are cure when they like the next one. Now your own the grand thing we will never see. Now your own first supposed come on for grant. Are you hearing me? Your own. Now it's supposed to come on for grant. Please share the video, my people, if you are watching. Share the video. Share it so your friends and lovers and your well-wishers. More than tell them say this saga was a created one. It's not a saga that was good to say, now me get off for his house, I go find them. No. It's a saga that was created to make money. So for that reason, all their family where they say us, they must come out. Because they go carry my own family for his house for where they sit down put. For no reason. No what dame sebo. Mwe do polo. Oho awa deji e kia polo. E kia polo nya hu ni mi aya we marry e mana ni hian pe. Then no aga pogera me je meri aga poge do polo nira. We told abema. Eri hian pe because ma ka poru no sugbo we. Oho ma bien ni rame. E rame re Facebook ki je me re Facebook ki yan he. If je me ni ro they understand very well because if je me yan. But if you we, you suffer me no your bow. If you we he suffer because he can judge area from the beginning to the end because he maka seke ni raji. Yes. Oh, honera many things we don't do for una family. Na never fi kiora. Osio sa ji ju egbe ju eke do wu. Okay. Osio sa yo egbe oke do wu. Ogbe omodion. First pikin we fe come for a prick. Oriye ere bari e binera yo bo wo carry ere bari do dere wa ugbobi owo hun abi ugbobi ra hun ne ki apolo ugbobi ra ne ki apolo hun wa ugbobi ra ne ki apolo hun. So you say your papa will be ki apolo they follow you Now the kind work where you they do. I hope you go also understand that for where you did because now your follower. May you understand that for where you did. And you go understand say yes. Now you. Now if a drag person family. Enter saga where they for not cause you. After you don't mastermind and finish for that grant. You carry and come out. You say the person where go my mother ask no know how to talk am. Now you know how to talk am. Now you carry and come out for live video. Itama when now we history era visual. Ik pe va ayati e live video efo. Why because maka seke nuje. Yes. Maka seke nuje. You want me person, may you they do people, may they pass their body, they go. Not be person like me. Like I always say it, I will not do you. Wait for my revenge. My revenge, you go see her because I go revenge on you the way you take revenge on me. The same couple you take measure on me, now I go take measure on you. It's an eye for an eye and a tooth for tooth. Now so it be. An eye for an eye and a tooth for tooth. Be careful of the way you they carry yourself. Say, now so you want go meet. Because you know say I get mama for papa and papa for life. I don't need you. You just say you want carry your leg go meet her. You go rob your people where you not supposed rob. Agmoya way. Yes. So my people now so it be. More na subscribe to Queen Rita. Queen Rita TV. It's my new platform. May I open her for una. Una we never see am, una go find am, una follow am. Una subscribe put. View not supposed cause problem. You they do your own and they do my own. View when I they get for my ass go come they cause hypertension for your body. You because of that one they pursue me, they go say, may I not talk again for live video. Say now you get live video. Eh? Now you get her. But say bonire what chest say? Unto what? Does live video belong to you? Please share the video, my people. Does live video belong to you? Anywhere where now they go illiterate, now for they do gang. Most of una will not be all of una. If you know say you never follow this platform, follow it. I will be there later live. That is my new platform. Queen Rita. Queen Rita. My new platform. So you can follow it. Like and love it and follow it. We have some people there already. I was live there this morning. Like and follow it. Anytime we are la diame, I la dianwe. Wa la diame basin, il la dianwe. Ah, wait me maladianu we basin. Even though say I not come out for you 5 times. But if I come out for you once, go past the 5 times where you take come out for me. A saga where take be now me they close you, they look my mouth. Me I'm not even mind you again. Say you did there. Where to the mobile ye saga information ya gba ma saga. Mo manene ya gwa information wa because of my coming. I don't have anything to do with una information. But since una go find my own rich inside my mama or yegbe. Una own for inside grave, even though say na day go come out. All of us go day inside together. So me una they use una own now. The way una they use and they wash all of una. Una own still they come. Now here I go sit down put. I go also they follow you bomba to bomba. Because imakaya wuwa wakaya wumi. The big family. Abi? Now so it be. So my people, I hope you don't understand where matter they come from. If you get anything where you don't understand, may you ask me. I go explain that for you. These people are not near them have you cause problem, jealousy. If you sit down, e matter wayak bonona. E matter wayak bonona. Where ten matter so mabe. This matter where you dey hear so it not shock you. You expect them. I hope say the matter where you dey hear so also choke you. Please share the video, my people. The matter where you dey hear so it shock you. Ou bien na ka 20 avant I not fair near you. No. I not fair go meet your mama for us. I not fair go meet your mama for us. I not fair touch anything where belong to you. But you, You carry your hand, you do conspiracy, you go Benin. Eh, me na we agwa. Eke ne twen ye be doni. I ari e mo board we fun me man. I ngwa ne yabe. I have move ye bare yan la wabe le yan la wabe. Ya me here because maka gwalo we. I no fe near you. I no fe near you. Ya give this way ya fe no eti your boy bowa. Your papa children the one way if you use and take build not day. You not day. With mama why your mother was doing good. Your father was doing good with only one woman. The time we did with only mama or more. He was doing good. Was he not doing good? Eh? You never know your mama will build that house now. You don't know your mama. No. Never know your mama. The time where you know your mama, now renovation take stuff for that house. Renovation no enter again. Mo egbe mi ro pa bo ya enya e ya keke. E ke harakwa we no total gioma. All those one, now your lazy brothers, where they inherit, picking where you inherit us, we not for use and build you. Or might you boy. Now you can once get what you want a person, you can't pay person for body. Until waiting. I dey see your madness, I know they wash because me, you don't already fail. Like I said, you are an expired and a past product, past glory. Now me giving you that name for Facebook. I say you be past glory. Any day by day on this Facebook, as long as you have waked the lion in me, if you carry person issue, and they come with you to work in the moyen. Menerita. Now me talking. Read my lips. If anybody carry any other person issue, I'll leave him. But if you will be at to carry, I'll come for you. Yes. Oh, you see no be so. That thing where you say you want to do one. Yes. And they wait for you. If I hear one more from you, one more word from you, you just say I be your Facebook pele followers where they lick your nyash. You look me like person where they look wife me. In people like and where they lick woman like a nyash. I don't be that kind of person. I don't they lick person nyash, but I'm a humble person. I'm a person that respect friendship and I respect boundary and I respect rules and regulations very well. I don't cross my boundary too much if you don't cross my own. Yes. Now it make me enter this live video as I enter just now. I drop 1 point for grant. Say, come on. Anything where it make you they dan your danre for inside this matter where they grant now. You they use and rob my family. If I carry your own family come and come rob and play the video where you take start and not cry. Now so it be. So the matter where they grant. Now be this my people. Where can we make glory? Am I way past one? Thank you, my person. Will remind me of that thing. God bless you. Do it. Ilagban bugodo. Uhi. Wo bia wo ho wo wan. Okay, somebody say na lost glory. Okay, not be past glory, na lost one. No, if we say na lost just now, she figure they look for a may find. And now they try to look for so now. Not be the glory they use all the body they try to look for. So we go look for and this child just be game for Edo. They look for a glory where he lost they go. Eh? As they look for the lost glory, they look for and they look for her. Now he say make it go up and make it go find her. Or inside there. Who just be the day and I are glory or no we. A glory no to bow me way. Do come on. If you forget the glory. Because me I don't know. Share the video, my people. One, I know they share the video. Now so it be o. Ahwa what naked no. It total woman. Admin not there yet. Your glory where you lost. Rotarians. They say where you throw away and put. May you go find her. You not there your pass up mumba. Don't be there your glory day. Maybe you feel find and go the people where you day. Where you day fight for live video all this year, even before me enter. Because the glory of the people where you be thief they shine. You not let you thief they shine again. You not know say me know you spiritually. And you yourself you also know me. You know what I need him. I know say you know me well. Oh my ain't be my mind dear. Alright? I ain't be my where to be where what it be me? Where take baby? Because who were what naked. You did what is wrong in the eyes of God, in the eyes of God and humans. I know so now don't they try to call since now me off data. Because if I know often, I'm not going to even let me talk. Some callers now they do the talking. The things, the small things where I want to talk about, where I want to explain, now I explain just now. Una don't know what it be the meaning of pedophile. For una way no know, I don't on my phone. For una way no know the meaning of pedophile for inside. I dey carry my phone come teach the meaning of pedophile. More na know what they use pedophile. Maybe you sit down suffer teaching. Small. I lay yo. I lay ori yo. Maybe we go teach am for Queen Rita station. You go teach am for that side. What did they call pedophile? I know if you open Google, me with the teacher now. We go teach am more and know the character of the mama and the papa. How two of them look alike in character. Yes. Before person go carry himself say, it's a cost person. I'm not here born. Or not here born. Old man where they do vaga old children. No filo bofilo we fili here fili ya yo hero. Yeah. Jama no we be ka. Only suppose no me peace wo re mi. This tree wo gi kekese. Woman man wan hang na. So why you come with big ballet ya mu yo wo hu because one yan. Or say una mo here for pillar to post you dey find you want carry and give. You go give this one for West Sudan, go give that one, go give the other one, go give. You are the managing director of shame and disgrace. Yes. You manage shame, you direct it. Your father was the managing director of shame and disgrace. Because if they carry shame, they waka they go. Man, wait, don't ye kia bekun finish. Say you want begin they do vaga children. They fuck people wife. That man don't ready now. Don't ready say yeah, to boy you can electric no big bewa. That's so it be. So my people, very dirty lineage, sacrilege, big sacrilege. Hello, mama.
Pedophile, it is called pedophilia, pedophile.
Pedophilia, yeah.
Pedophile is someone that sleeps with little girls, attracted. It's a mental health anyway. It's a mental health illness.
It's a mental health, yeah.
And yeah, it's a mental health illness, and they're attracted to little children.
A person who is always attracted to children, Abi?
Yes.
It's true. Person where men, advanced men that is always having the attraction towards little women. Where small children.
Yes.
Is that not what it means? Can you explain in details? Can you explain in details?
Yeah, it means an adult that is attracted to little children. And it's classed as a mental health illness, but it's a big crime all over the world.
And you know that those days, Mama, those days, people were not really noticing mental illness in Benin. Those days in our place, they don't notice it. So this one way Papa do so, mental illness is related to it. Maybe na cause way kill himself, we put hand for electric. You understand me? Because some people are doing it abroad here. When they suffer too much mental illness, they put their hand when they are not supposed, and they kill themselves. Sometimes they fall into drug. Sometimes they do things they are not supposed to do to themselves. This is exactly the reason why the father.
And when a man sleeps with the children, it's called incest.
It's called what?
Incest.
Insect.
An insect, yes.
An insect. So the father was an insect.
Yeah. Yeah, a pedophile stroke an insect.
A pedophile stroke an insect.
Yeah, check it in dictionary.
Yeah. I read this morning about a pedophile. When I started seeing the background of the father, when I started getting the history of the father, Then I read about, I went to read about the pedophile inside. I didn't read about the incest. I'll go on Google and see it. Incest. Okay, somebody wrote it already. Incest. So the father is a pedophile and an incest. So we can say this morning to say the daughter of a notorious pedophile stroke incest.
Yes.
All right, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day. So you people can see where the notorious and the narcissistic, you get waiting Mama Gladys given for that side. Yes, sleeping with your offering is a mental health issue. Mama Gladys given whether a narcissistic given for that side. Narcissistic character, this and this. I want you people to look through Facebook, the whole of this social media. Who is having a narcissistic character? Is she not the one? Which day I enter Facebook? If you say I have a narcissistic character, meaning it's coming from you. Because still, you are the godmother of all evil on cyberspace. You are the godmother of everything that evil represents on cyberspace. What is it that you are going to talk for Ikabodi? Where it I go say you don't talk something. So my people, see you guys soon. See you later on my new page. Queen Rita, we move. Naina, I know. She don't go look for my house. If I talk and one time say information where it comes so. Information where it comes so. Pay show load. Where we pay show ni amebe he. Nu when di megele mu we di mam we gbe we pay show. Why you walk when ido wo me ibe di ye nu e. In arrange ho me. We no ya obobotizo no so we live video ho me here. Because you call for war when I didn't call for it. You took me unaware. You went to my parents' house. Now I'm not aware. I was not aware. I never knew you would do something like that. But now I'm aware of all of you, your plans. Abi? So, you can see that at the end of the day, you went to look for trouble for no reason. All right, my people. See you guys soon. Follow me at Queen Rita, the other of my page.